Oh, yeah, bring this thing out. Take the video. Take. Put it for video. Put it for video. No, remove it for chamber. See it now. Okay, remove it for chamber. Remove it.
On it is off.
No, not go make mistake. I'm coming.
On it.
Hold it. Hold this one. I'm coming.
How many guns now?
How many guns?
Plenty now.
6 guns now.
Yes, sir.
You see video now. 6 guns. Hey, wait,
Bring it down. Wait,
excuse me. Let us pack everything.
This is an operation, and joined operation led by the DPO. Where we storm where the armed robber.
Can you see the juju?
Yes. Even their champs are here, and this time they believe you cannot arrest them, but they cannot escape from the arrest.
Wait, so now take everything out.
And you can see a intensive operation led by the Divisional Police Officer Ojo, and whereby there's a breakthrough and some guns and cartridges. Break it down. As you can see, it's a joint patrol operation today, 10th of May 2022, whereby the Ojo police station with joint other division reinforcement stormed into an area whereby armed robbers are hiding. It was a successful one whereby more than 5-6 guns and ammunition were recovered at some times, which they believe nobody can arrest them. It's a very good operation. From today, anybody can move freely as far as Ojo is concerned. Yes. The operation is still going on. Bring this plate down. Hey, this one is going down.
So these are the recovered guns, cartridges, and the toys. Charm. Leave it. Don't kill it, just leave it. Never. Hey! Don't beat anybody. Hold on. No, don't kill it.
When you look at some of these cases, you begin to wonder, where are we heading to? So much wickedness, so much violence. Reuben, who hails from Eche in Rivers State, had earlier sold a piece of land to one Joy Saturday. Joy Saturday is a hard-working mother of 4, a petty trader who labored so hard to put together the first 250,000 naira to buy a plot of land for him. Thereafter, he lured this lady, pretended there's another vacant land for sale. Joy Saturday accompanied Prince to the bush side, ostensibly on an inspection. Unknown to this innocent, hardworking woman, Prince Reuben had conspired with 3 other of his friends, namely Nwaba, Promise, and Chinedu. During that inspection tour, Joy was kidnapped by these men. They took her into the forest, gang raped her, stole the only cash sum with her, 20,000 naira, and then shot her to death. After killing her, they poured acid on her body and then threw her body into the forest. Nwaba, Chinedu, and Promise are currently at large. These 3 young men are from Olapo in Eche, in River State. If I were using this opportunity to appeal to the good people of Eche and the good people of River State, or anybody that has got any information whatsoever that could help the law enforcement agents, particularly the police, to locate these suspects, please do us this favor, do your conscience the favor, and do this country the favor in passing this information to any of the DPOs closest to you, the police public relations officer in River State, or straight down here at the STS office, IRT office, or even the First Public Relations office.
My name is Prince Reuben.
Why are you here?
I am here for the killing of Miss Joy Saturday. So on that day, I went to my working place. She called me on phone that she's coming to see the land. I said okay, that I went to work, that my closing time is by 4. She said okay, no problem, that when I close I should call her. So before then, my 3 friends told me that they are going to kidnap her and make money from her. I said okay, no problem. So on that day, they hung inside the bush. Then I took her to the land. So she saw the land. Then my 3 friends came out. We now kidnapped her and took her to the forest. We raped her. We killed her. We poured her acid.